How's it going, guys? Thought I'd do a quick video here about my LED headlights that I have on my Hisun 500. This is my Rural King 500. Anyone that knows has bought one of these machines, whether it be the Axis 500 from Lowe's or Tractor Supply, or the Hisun 500 from Rural King, they come with the factory halogen headlights, and they are terribly weak, terribly inefficient, and I mean basically at nighttime they're unusable to see to drive with. So not long after I got this machine, I found some LED bulbs, and I installed those, upgraded, and it made all the difference in the world. I mean, it's like 1,000 times better than the halogen bulbs that came in these machines. So today I want to pull one of the bulbs out. I'm going to show you guys what kind of bulb it is, because these are a little bit different than the Rhinos. I know a lot of these parts are interchangeable with the Rhino, Yamaha Rhino, but I found that the Rhino bulb is different than what the Hisun or the Axis 500 bulbs are. And it took a little bit of searching online, but I was able to find a set of bulbs, LED bulbs, to fit this machine, and hey, they work perfectly. I mean, they're fantastic. All right, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Got your headlight assembly right here. Got this clamp. Takes a Phillips head screwdriver to take it off, and you got a little rubber boot, little waterproof boot, protects the bulb, and that's about it. Loosen the clamp up, slide it off to the side. You got to pull this little boot up and away. And I found when I first put these bulbs in, kind of got to slide the boot back up onto the wires here. Just kind of push the wires through the boot. Oh wow, I just noticed something. My boot just kind of tore. Have a hole in it. I'll have to fix that a little later. Anyway, just pull the boot back. Go in here, give the headlight assembly a little twist to the left, counterclockwise. Pull it out, and right there's the bulb. Simple as that. Push down and twist to the left, and it pops right out. Now, when I said this bulb was a little bit different than the Rhino bulbs, the Rhino bulbs have the little I don't know what you would call it, but the little tabs on the side are kind of rounded. They're made to fit down in a different type of fixture, which is what the Yamaha Rhinos have. This one has the little square tabs. That was the main difference. But yeah, I was able to find these online. Actually, I found these at Motorcycle Doctor. I think that's where I got them. And a set of these were, I think I paid around 30 bucks for 2 of them. And these are the 10,000 lumen. They're really bright. They make all the difference in the world, you know, when you're driving at nighttime. Combined with a light bar that I have on on this UTV. I mean, it's crazy how bright it is at nighttime. But anyways, there's the bulb. And I'll try to look these up and find this exact bulb, and I'll put a link down in my description for anyone that wants to try to find these. But I do think that there's other companies, manufacturers that are making these bulbs now. I installed these a couple years ago, and really the only place I could find them was at Motorcycle Doctor. So yeah, if you can't find them anywhere else, you know, go to Motorcycle Doctor. You should be able to find these bulbs there. And there it is. Then to reinstall, just line up the tabs. Push in, turn to the right. Pop it back in place. When you turn it to the right, it will click. Slide the boot back over the headlight assembly. Put your clamp back on. And that's it, guys. Now there you go, guys. Now they are turned on. Fantastic LED bulbs for the money. I mean, they're pretty good quality. They've been in this machine for a couple years now, and I've had no issues at all with these bulbs. Like I said before, I think they was around 30 bucks for the set. So yeah, if you own one of these Hisun 500s, Axis 500s, you're probably like me. You already know that the factory headlights really suck on these machines. So it's well worth the money, 30 bucks maybe, ever how cheap you can find it online to get a set of these bulbs and put them in. Hey, thanks guys for watching, and until next time, see what I can come up with. Thanks.